Alright, muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating third quarter. .19 ang ating talaan. Shoutout po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin sa ating live at sa ating venue. Ayan, shoutout kala sa pamilya Yen and Kyoto, the rest of the team. Vergara was here, D. Ayan, daming mga new guns. Uy.
Maganda gising ng mga bata eh.
Maga pa kasi. Second game eh, maga eh. Alright, back to the ball game. Xavier School Basketball. Change court na po tayo. Alright, let's go. Third quarter. Yen, pass sa loob, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Oopsie. Backcourt violation. Kyoto, pass to Vergara for 3, wala. Makukuha ni Jordan. Yen, pass to C. Oopsie. That's a traveling violation. Para kay C. Number 71. Pinasa corner, no good. Rebound ng Xavier. Shen. Uy, sayang, nabitawan. C. From elbow 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by jersey number 2. That is C. Ayan na ang defense ng Xavier. Pinagay sa elbow. Sumalaksak. Jersey number 77. Basket is good. Uy, 3-point by Cheng. Three-point ba? Oh, 3-point nga. 50-21. This is the biggest lead of this season and of the game. Number 71, block. Pinasa corner with the jump shot. It's good. Ayun na, babawi ang Xavier with the jump shot. No good. Jordan, drop pass to C. No good. Rebound by Wee. Pass to Kyoto. 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ayun na ang Lourdes. 2 against 2. Number 12 with an easy basket. Pinasa loob. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound again by Jordan. And what a nice extra pass to Wee. For easy 2. 52-25. Ang ating talaan. Jordan yan. Gustong agawan ng bola. Walang tawag pa ang referee. Another steal by Chen. Outlet pass to Jordan. Uy. Substitution. Out of bounds. Bola ng Lourdes. Timeout. Timeout ba? Good, good, good. Ayan na ang Lourdes, number 77 with the layup, no good. D. D sumalaksak, using the glass basket. Cow. Basket yun, kala ko may foul, sorry. Ito na ang Lourdes, number 28. Oopsie, that's it, traveling. Oops, munti ka na maagawan, naka-recover. Number 62, binigay sa corner, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 28. To number 12. Pass to number 14, no good. Rebound ng Xavier. Number 7, Tundi. Basket. Number 24. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Number 17. Pinasa corner, 4-3, wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lourdes. Fade away shot, too strong. Guys sa corner, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. But there's a foul. Lourdes basketball. Another foul ng Xavier. Oy, good. Nakakuha, nakapigan. Oy, left in violation. Xavier School basketball. Number 62, 4-3, no good. Rebound by D. Pass to number 62. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound. Ni number 28, ayan na ang Lourdes. Caleb, 4-3, wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Number 17. Go, sidestep, kinaliwa. Uy, what a move by Go, or by number 17. Ayan na, number 5, nabitawan nga lang ang bola. Pass to Go. Number 12. Edillaga. To Go. Go. Pinigay. Tumira sa corner. No good. Rebound by Lourdes. Kinasa sa corner. Crossover. Step back to. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na ang Xavier. Go. Bounce pass to D. Guys, elbow 3, short. What a extra pass to Go. Nako-play yun. Papitas-pitas lang si Go. Last seconds remaining. 40 seconds left. Number 33 to number 17. Banzon to number 28. Back to Banzon. Banzon. Banzon nalak. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni number 99. Ayan na, number 99 nagmamadali. Oh, walang tawag. Rebound by number 33. Pass number 27. Oh, that's the end of the third quarter. The official score is 25-60 in favor of our Xavier School. Tayo dadao na sa ating fourth and final quarter game. And shout out, ayan. Sir Brother Jasper Yeng is in the house. And so shout out din kala Coach T.Y. Tang is watching. Alright, back to the ball game. Alright, fourth quarter coming up. Tignan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Lourdes School ng QC. Let's go. Number 41, step back, short, rebound by number 31. Number 17. And there's a foul. Hand off to number 17. Pass number 25, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 71. To number 33. Kick out, number 71, 4-3, short. Out of bounds. Bola ng Xavier. Number 17 to number 25. Back to number 17. To number 19. 9, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 71 to number 28. Pinasa elbow. Kick out from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Out that pass. Number 12 to number 99. Basket is good. Down Lourdes. Nicolas. Back to Nicolas. Pineda, 4-3, no good. Number 17. 4-3. Good. Sa kabila. Number 71. Casar. 4-3, wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Number 17. 4-3, short. Substitution. Running time po tayo, running time. 62-25 ang ating talaan with the biggest lead of the game. Lamang tayo. Number 71. Pineda block. Number 25. Outlet pass. Uy, all the way. All the way. Uy. Pineda. Bad pass, steal. Ayan na, dire-diretso na, tapikan. And last touch, same ball. Bounce pass to number 17. 66-25 ang ating talaan. Gets the shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni D. Pass to Wee. Wee. To number 37. Go, pass to Wee. Libre. Easy 2 points by Wee. 68-28. 25. Another steal. Steal again. Tinasa corner. 4-3. Short. Ayan na, side step, up and under. Basket yan para ID. 70-25. Oopsie. Same ball. Manzon to number 28. Number 71, pinasa loob, out of bounds. Time remaining po natin, 2 minutes and 44. Number 28, basket yan. Vergara. Banzon. To number 71, to number 28. Kick out. Pinasa corner, number 28. Too strong. Rebound ng Xavier. Go. Pass to Vergara. Kick out. Number 12 from elbow 3. No good. Another steal. 2 against 1. Derecho. Basket. Easy 2 points. Para sa save here. bounce. Same ball, last 55 seconds. Last 52 seconds. Banson, 4-3. Yes, sir. Last 43 seconds remaining. Pedilyaga, 4-3. No good. Last 30 seconds remaining. At dito na po ba? Ba gustong bumawi. 4-3. Yes, sir. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. And what a nice game from both team. Congratulations. Our first game was done para sa ating Xavier School. Alright, our final score is 74-31. Panalo po tayo sa ating first game. And muli, maraming pong salamat sa mga parents na kasama natin dito sa ating live. Ayan. Sila Sir Jasper Ying. Ayan, sila Sir Benedicto Kyoto. And sige po. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And God bless everyone. Kita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Picture taking tayo. Congrats po.
Naka-live doon pa rin.
Doon pa rin po. 2010. Congrats, sir. Coach. Okay. This is your John Paulo, Florida. Hanggang sa muli po and good luck. Ayan, maraming salamat po.